Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily check the serial number of our iPhone. So this is, you can see here we have our iPhone 13. The same works for other iPhone devices. Just go to settings, click on it. Now herein you can see guys, the settings is visible. Under search, type about. Click on the first one, about. After clicking about, you can see our about section is visible, wherein the name, software version, the software version, model name, model number, and the serial number is visible. Herein you can see this is the serial number. You can just copy this from here and easily find the serial number. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily find the serial number on our iPhone. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.